As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Char-Broil grills, the Classic 2-burner and the Performance 4-burner. Big price difference, huh? $139 versus $369.99.
Yeah, that's a significant jump. But look at the cooking area. The 2-burner only has 280 square inches. The 4-burner, a whopping 475 square inches, plus a 130 square inch warming rack.
Okay, so size matters. I guess it depends on how many burgers I'm planning on grilling at once. The 2-burner says it can handle 12 burgers, but the 4-burner says 24. And the 4-burner has porcelain-coated cast iron grates compared to the smaller one's porcelain-coated wire grates.
Exactly. Cast iron retains heat better, gives you those nice sear marks. Plus, the 4-burner pumps out 36,000 BTUs compared to the 2-burner's 20,000. More power. More even cooking.
Both have a side burner, which is good for sauces, but the 4-burner side burner is 10,000 BTU, while the 2-burner is only 8,000. And the 4-burner has LED illuminated control knobs, which is kind of fancy for night grilling.
Little touches like that add up. The 4-burner also has electronic ignition, which is a nice convenience. The description doesn't specify for the 2-burner.
True. The 2-burner is lighter, though. 37.5 pounds versus 85. Easier to move around, maybe? But, the 4-burner has a temperature gauge built into the lid. That's really useful.
Definitely. And while both are made of stainless steel, the 4-burner feels more durable from what I've seen in reviews. Plus, it has almost 4,000 reviews with a 4.5 rating, compared to the 2-burner's 2,700 reviews and a 4.1 rating.
Okay, so the 4-burner is bigger, more powerful, and seemingly better built. Is it worth the extra money?
Depends on your needs, right? If you're just grilling for yourself or a small family, the 2-burner might be fine. But if you entertain or want more consistent cooking, the 4-burner seems like the better investment, and the number of reviews seems to support that.
I guess I need to think about how often I actually grill and how many people I'm usually feeding. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.